Hi, I'm Chef David Rose, and if you're watching this video, you probably want to learn how to cook the perfect fish. And the good thing is, cooking fish is easy. Very easy. So let's get into some basics. What do you think? Let's get started. Let's talk about how to select fish. First, sight. With fish fillets, the bloodline should be bright red with no visible signs of browning on the edges of the fish. Smell. Seafood should not have an offensive, fishy, ammonia-like, or rotten smell to it. We don't want that. A mild, pleasant, or slight ocean smell is best. Feel. The fish should have a good rebound on the flesh when you press down on it, and the flesh shouldn't be slimy. That's a lot to think about when you're at the grocery store. Instead, have peace of mind and just go with Omaha Steaks seafood. It's guaranteed perfect, individually sealed, and frozen the very same day it leaves the boat. Fresh versus frozen. Omaha Steaks has been frozen the same day it's caught, which stops the aging process once it leaves the boat. Our seafood is individually wrapped, so you just thaw what you want. No waste. The vacuum sealed packaging retains the moisture, juices, and natural flavors of the seafood and prevents oxygen exposure that may damage the delicate fish. Omaha Steaks seafood variety is truly amazing. Just look at all of these delicious choices. Snapper, sweet yet mild, great when the skin crisp up, make for an amazing bite. Swordfish, steak-like, meaty, really stands up to bold flavors and seasoning. Tuna, firm and flaky texture, great when seared rare, perfect for any preparation. Salmon, great source of protein, vitamin D, and omega-3s, a very versatile fish. Halibut, delicate, flaky, very easy to prepare, super moist, super tender, one of my favorites. Cobia, very savory flavor, super tasty, also very versatile. Trout, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, loaded with protein, mild flavor, great for pan frying. Cod, firm texture, which makes it great for fried fish tacos and any type of batter. I like fish and chips. When I think fish and chips, I think cod. Mahi-mahi, great choice to use with marinades and seasoning, really stands up to bold flavors. Sea bass, buttery, rich flavor, real big, nice, tender flakes, just falls apart, truly a moist and just enjoyable mouthfeel. Sablefish, buttery flavor, ideal for grilling, and just smoking and sauteing really suit this fish. Remember, select a meatier fillet if you plan to cook it on the grill. Flakier cuts are better baked, pan-fried, or used in recipes, like the salmon right here. Once you understand seafood flavor profiles and how you want to utilize it, you can decide what seafood is best for you and your recipe. From mild to strong, delicate to steak-like consistency, the choices are truly endless, and so are the cooking methods. When it comes to cooking fish, it's best to know that seafood can be safely consumed at a medium doneness of 145, and that is ideal. Overcooking fish can cause it to be dry and rubbery, which makes it very unenjoyable. But for a more comprehensive, in-depth look at how to really truly nail that perfect doneness on fish, feel free to refer to our Omaha Steaks seafood cooking chart. When it comes to thawing fish, there's one of two ways you can go about doing that. One way is to thaw in the fridge overnight, and the other method is the quick thaw. You want to submerge the vacuum seal bag underwater for about 20 minutes. Either way, it's gonna be great. Let's talk about marinating and seasoning your seafood. If marinating, you don't want to marinate too early. I suggest quick marinades, anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour. If there is a salt or acid such as citrus, fruits, vinegar, alcohol, or wine in the marinade, it can start to cook the seafood and make the flesh mushy, and we do not want that. You might want to start with olive oil, fresh herbs, spices, then add your acid or citrus towards the last 15 to 20 minutes. Salt should be added right before you start cooking. When it comes to seasoning, simple is best. I love salt and pepper. Or you can go with the Omaha Steaks seafood seasoning, which is a masterful chef-crafted blend of black pepper, white onion, lemon zest, green peppercorn, and chives. For fish fillets, season no more than 15 to 20 minutes right before you start cooking. For whole fish, you can season closer to an hour before cooking to allow those seasonings to penetrate deep down inside the fish for maximum flavor. Remember, you don't want to over-season. Check out our blog for many different marinades and seasoning recipes. You are well on your way to cooking like a seafood pro. To take a deeper dive into cooking seafood, make sure to check out our Beginner Guide to Cooking Seafood video series, and check out also our Omaha Steaks blog for more recipes, tips, and tricks.